Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VEL Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. On the chopping blocks, we're going to be making you the best ever ham and cheese sandwich deluxe. So stay tuned in and don't go nowhere. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you some of these ingredients that I got. I have some American cheese sliced in a wrapper. I do have the other one. I just like this one a little bit more better. So I have some deli ham right here. I have some onions, some tomatoes, and some lettuce, and some pickles. Alright, and we're going to be incorporating that with some mayo, which is, this is Miracle Whip, if you guys can see that. And I have some Dijon mustard. And for the bread, I will be using this whole grain wheat bread right here. Alright? So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so you want to just take your bread out. And this particular bread has like the oatmeal on top of it, see? Alright, we're going to put that over here. First thing first, we're going to put this right here in this. We're going to take our mayo, which are Miracle Whip. We're just going to put a nice generous amount of this on there. Spread it corner to corner. I don't know about you, I don't like biting into some bread that's dry. Alright, then we'll take this side and go just like that. Now I was going to toast it. I decided I didn't want to toast it. And for you health people out there, if you don't want the mayo, you ain't got to do the mayo. You can find whatever substitute that floats your boat. No disrespect. But this is how I get down in my kitchen. So, okay. Now we're going to take us some Dijon mustard. And just go on it lightly, because this stuff has got a kick to it. Alright. And we'll take our ham. Just going to place my ham on there like so. Sometimes it fold over on you. So just take your time. Seems like to me when you take your time, it tastes better. I don't know about you, but I know it tastes a whole lot better when you take your time and make these sandwiches. Alright? So let's see, that's 5. I like a lot of ham on mine. If you guys want some turkey, you can use turkey. Alright? This is all you want to do. Put some love into it. And if you guys new here, consider subscribing to the channel. I put up 3 recipes every week. Every week. Okay? Alright. So that was 5, that's 5, that's 10. And you don't have to use this many if you don't want to. I do. So I'm going to, because I'm a carnivore. I love meat, so that's why I'm using this amount. And plus this was the last of it. Alright? So, we'll go in with our cheese. Just take the cheese and decorate it however you want to put it on there. I like to put mine on there like this. It seems like when it looks better, it tastes better. I got the garbage over there. Okay. You come in with your tomatoes. Have 3 of those. And your onions, of course. If you don't want no onions, like I said guys, you don't have to use it. Spread it out like that. Just like so. Alright? Take the pickles. Put your pickles on there. Just like that. Here's your lettuce. Keep everything together. Put that on there. Alright, take your other bottom or your top piece. I lay that bad boy right on top. Look how big that is. You're gonna tell me you ain't gonna eat that. You're not gonna tell me you won't eat it, because I will if you don't. Let me wash this knife off real quick. So we're gonna cut that bad boy. So you can cut it this way or you can cut it this way. I like to cut mine at an angle. So you just hold down on it like so. Come this way with it. Like that. And you make it a piece like that that falls off. Toothpicks. Stick it on there. Like that. Like that. And like that. And you take it, put it back on your plate. Yeah, I seen that. Just like that. Grab a piece. Bad boys on there. Just like so. Alright. Then, if you have any chips or anything you want to put on there, I have some right here. Any chips that you like, just throw these suckers on there. Use some Lay's. So you just throw them on there, whatever. However you want to put them on there. And that's how you make the best ever ham and cheese burger. I mean ham and cheeseburger. Ham and cheese deluxe. Just like so. Bon appetit. Take this chip. Maybe I should use some longer toothpick. I'm really that one long. I'm gonna fall around. I'm gonna grab that one. You guys take the first bite. Alright, I'm gonna take it. Ooh, that is so good. So amazing. Everything comes together perfectly. You guys definitely need to make this salad. This is the must that you make this salad. It is so delicious. Oh, that bread is soft, really soft. The onions mixed with the tomato and the pickle, and that mayo and that Dijon mustard, it just set the tone. It is so delicious. Alright guys, I can and talk at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And stay tuned in where I'll be bringing you another recipe from Dogg's Kitchen. Stay tuned in. See you next time at Dogg's Kitchen.